Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with chapter number 12 Mathematics, and the title of this chapter is Measures of Capacity. This is the third part of this chapter, and through this video I am going to teach you addition and subtraction of this chapter. So let's start this class. Question number 1, addition. 438 milliliter, 276 milliliter. This is the first question. Now come to the second question. Second question is 578 liter plus 397 liter. This is your second question. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3, in this question liter and milliliter. 14 liter 370 milliliter and 27 liter 126 milliliter. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is liter and milliliter. 500 liter 375 milliliter, 368 liter 108 milliliter. So you can see that I have written 4 questions. Okay, milliliter, liter, and question number 3 and 4 is milliliter, liter both. Okay, so first is we will solve this question number 1. This both number is in milliliter. 438 milliliter, 276 milliliter. So 8 plus 6 equal to what? 8 plus 6 equal to 14. We will write only 4, carry 1, carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. We will write 1 only. Once again, we will carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. What is answer? 714. What is unit? Milliliter. So we will write ml. ml is short form of milliliter. This is our answer. The first answer 714 milliliter. Now come to the question number 2. Question is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 equal to what? 15. 8 plus 7 equal to 15. We will write only 5. Carry 1. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 equal to what? 8 plus 9 equal to 17. So we will write only 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 3. 9. What is answer? 700, sorry, 975 liter. What do you need? Liter. L is short form of liter. So this is our answer. Now come to the question number 3. First we will solve this side milliliter, then we will come to liter side. 0 plus 6 equal to what? 0 plus 6 equal to 0 plus 6 equal to 6. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 496 milliliter. Now come to the liter side. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 equal to 11. We will write only 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. What is answer? 41 liter. 41 liter, 496 milliliter. This is our answer. Now come to the question number 4. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 equal to 30. We will write only 3. Carry 1. 1 plus 7. 8. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay. Completed in milliliter side. Now come to the liter side. 0 plus 8 equal to 8. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. 5 plus 3 equal to what? 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So what is answer? Answer is 868 liter, 483 milliliter. 483 milliliter. So this is addition of this chapter, chapter number 12. Okay. Now next question number 2 is subtraction. We will do subtraction. Okay. After addition, you can see that I have written 4 questions for subtraction. So first we will subtract this question to find out the result. First question is 438 milliliter minus 276 milliliter. 8 minus 6 equal to what? 8 minus 6 equal to 2. 3 minus 7 equal to what? So to subtract, we have to carry from 100 place number. After carry, these 3 change into 13. Okay. 13 minus 7 equal to what? 13 minus 7 equal to 6. Which number is left here? Which number is left here? 3. 3 minus 2 equal to what? 3 minus 2 equal to 1. What do you need? ml. So what is answer? First answer of this subtraction question is 162 milliliter. Okay. Now come to the second question. 8 minus 7 equal to upper number is greater than lower number. So don't need to carry from 10th place or 100th place number. So this is simple. 8 minus 7 equal to what? 8 minus 7 equal to 1. 7 minus 9 equal to, can you subtract 9 from 7? Yes, we can subtract, but after carry. So to subtract this 9 from 7, we have to carry this from 100 place number. After carry, after following, this 7 change into 70. 70 minus 9 equal to what? 8. Which number is left here? 4. 4 minus 3 equal to what? 4 minus 3 equal to 1. What do you need? Liter. This is our answer. This is our answer. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is 0 minus 6 equal to what? After Borosian number, this 0 change into 10. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Which number left here? 6. 6. Okay, 6 minus 2 equal to what? 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Okay, now 3 minus 1 equal to what? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now come to the this side, liter side. 4 minus 7. Can we subtract this 7 from 4? Yes, we can subtract, but answer will be negative. So, to find out the positive answer, we will borrow some number from this tens place number. So, after borrowing number, this 4 change into 14. 14 minus 7 equal to 7. Which number is left here? 5. 5 minus 2 equal to what? 3. So what is answer? Answer is 37. 37 liter 244 milliliter. Now come to the question number 4. Okay. Question number 4 is 5 minus 8 equal to what? After borrowing this 5, 10 into 15. 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Which number is left here? 6. 6 minus 0 equal to 6 minus 0 equal to what? 6 minus 0 equal to 6. So 6. Okay. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now come to this side, liter side. 0 minus 8. After borrow some number, this 0 change into 10. 10 minus 8 equal to what? 2. Which number is left here? This is 9. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Which number is left here? 4. 4 minus 3 equal to what? 1. So what is answer? 132 liter 267 milliliter. This is our answer. This is our answer. First answer is 162 milliliter. Second answer is 181 liter. Third answer is 37 liter 244 milliliter. And fourth number answer is 132 liter 267 milliliter. So students, in this video we have learned about subtraction and addition, or addition and subtraction of this chapter number 12, meters of capacity, with unit liter and milliliter. All of you will do this question also in your textbook already given. Thank you.